How to identify certain rows within a specified range of columns? I have a DF where I need to identify any rows that have a value found in a list, within columns which are also in another list. For this example, I need to identify any rows that have a value of J, Q, R within any column that starts with month. The final DF will have a column that shows true or false if either of the letters exists within the list of columns. Expected outcome. My initial attempt resulted in the error below.
I forgot to add .any. The code below works. The error suggests that I was trying to compare too many, 6 calls, items into one result. By using .any, this function returns true if any of the iterables, calls, equals true and false if the iterable returned all false, ultimately reducing the number of items to just one. So by adding .any1 to the end, the script consolidates the 6 items passed to just one item.
Here's a solution that doesn't use NumPy. I didn't use all of the fields, but I'm sure you'll understand it. Also, I used a data frame last after manipulating my dictionary. I find it much easier to do that.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.